own a car, used a car, seen a car? Very few could say no to all three of these questions. Cars are in some way part of all of our lives, and they aren't going anywhere anytime soon. In fact, 2016 saw global sales of new vehicles top 80 million in that year alone. That's 2.6 new vehicles sold every second. And we think that's 80 million too many. This is a global issue and is caused by people having no knowledge on how to properly maintain their cars. Many others who know how to maintain their cars simply forget. And cars nowadays are affordable, and rather than just fixing a problem with the car, many people will just buy a new one. These causes lead to serious future problems such as higher carbon emissions from factories building the components required to make the cars. More cars will be sent to the wreckers and landfills, creating more waste and wasting valuable resources, and in the long run, the excessive production of cars will contribute to climate change. The width of this problem is huge. It's not only the direct users of cars that it affects everybody who owns a car, everybody who drives a car or is a passenger in a car, and it negatively affects the rest of the world, including animals, as the production of new cars contributes to climate change. The extent to which this problem affects us can only be described as immense. When a car is not looked after correctly, it deteriorates quickly and emits more carbon dioxide than a well-maintained car. These emissions are detrimental to the health and well-being of humans and animals, leading to far-reaching effects on a global scale. The UN Sustainable Development Goal that is put most at risk by this problem is climate action. We want to limit the barriers set by this problem by attempting to reduce carbon emission. Introducing the P.A.M system. P.A.M is a system which uses sensors placed in your car's engine to monitor engine activity and to let you know via a mobile application when something goes wrong and what has gone wrong. It also sends reminders about when you need to check up on general things such as oil levels, tire tread, and pressure. The P.A.M system targets the causes of our problem by improving car owners' knowledge of general car maintenance, which results in an increased lifespan of your vehicle. And with cars lasting longer and less being sent to landfills, there is less demand for new cars to be produced. Our system is innovative as it takes current sensor technology and combines it with a mobile app to create P.A.M, something that has not been done before. In order to measure the value of our solution in its attempt to solve the problem, we will measure customer satisfaction. We will use the number of P.A.M app downloads and concurrent users of the app as the key performance indicator to measure customer satisfaction.
Created using Powtoon.